Let's talk a little weather now. Bring in Chief Meteorologist Scott Paget. And again, I think the headline today is just another hot day.
Yeah, I had friends texting me like, "Ooh, it's a hot one out there today." And you're absolutely right. As you take a look at the visible satellite, picking up on the couple of clouds in the sky for us, you see at Texas Motor Speedway, hard to find any. It's 97 degrees with a southerly wind at 10, so it feels hotter than that. That south wind trying to cool you down a bit. Right now at DFW, 97 degrees, feeling like 100. We have that south wind near 10, gusting up to near 20. Dew point right now at DFW in the mid-60s. But we do still have that feels like temperature near 105 degrees or higher. So in parts of North Texas, a heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock. That does include Collin County, Grayson County, down to Rockwall, Kaufman County, Henderson, and Anderson, and then east-northeast of that. We're going to be seeing that extended until tomorrow. More on that in a second. But our temperatures right now all across North Texas show the story. 93 in Greenville, 95 in Stephenville, 93 in Athens, to 100 right now in Hamilton. But when you factor in that humidity, feels like 103 in Denton, to 102 in Waxahachie, to 99 in Athens. So the next 6 hours, it's going to be a muggy one for you. Maybe delay walking the dog into the early evening hours when it's cooled off just a little bit. We'll be down to about 96 degrees by the time we get to 7, on our way down to about 89 degrees by 10. Reason we're hot, high pressure, the axis of the high pressure sitting right overhead, so that's keeping us pretty dry. We have a lot of subsidence in the atmosphere, which means we just have that sinking air that's happening, so this high pressure is keeping us hot. Now, as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, it starts to shift its way back to the east a bit more. That opens up the Gulf for more Gulf moisture, actually, to work back into North Texas. So with that happening, yes, it's going to be humid for us. We'll see maybe a little bit more of cloud cover, and our surface flow is going to be switching a bit. That cools you down. But tomorrow, same story. Maybe forecasting the 99-degree high temperatures, some spots possibly 105 degrees. That feels like temperature or higher. So keep that in mind as you make your plans. This forecast model a bit aggressive, but still, 105 to 106. It's one of those days you need to take breaks in the shade, in the air conditioning if possible. Limit that outdoor activity if you want to go for a run early morning hours to then either the early evening hours, not in the heat of the day. So the heat advisory, as I talked about, remains in effect. Another one for tomorrow, noon to 8 o'clock from Grayson County all the way down to Anderson County and east-northeast of that. The eastern flow opens up. So what that means for you is, I talked about those dew points increasing, the moisture content going up. So we'll see temperatures cool down to the mid-90s Friday and Saturday. Sunday, 93 degrees, rain chances at 20%. And then, Ken, going into next week, high temperatures holding below average at 92. Okay.